In this video, we're gonna see how to deploy a Minecraft game server completely from scratch to a VPS. And we're gonna move away from standard shared hosting to a VPS, which gives you complete control over your server resources and better performance and the ability to customize exactly how your world operates. We will cover everything from initial server configuration and security best practices. To begin with, you need a VPS, right? So that's why the sponsor of this video is the MivoCloud. They are providing the cloud services since 2015, and they have the VPS with 60 euros per month. They have the dedicated server with 39 euros per month, and they also have the web hosting which is 5 euros per month with unlimited domain and SSL certificate, and all of this with DDoS protection and the 24 hours customer support. So since they are the sponsor of this video, I have a VPS with them. So what I will do is I will SSH into the VPS. So let me copy the IP address and let me open up the command prompt and type SSH and the username is root, and let me type the IP address over here and press enter, and let me enter the password now. So now I have successfully connected to the VPS. So to deploy the Minecraft game server, you will need at least minimum 2 CPUs and 4 GB of RAM to ensure the server runs smoothly. And first, once you have connected to the VPS, as a standard best practice, our first action on any first server is to update the package list and upgrade existing software. And before we do that, if you want to see the free space of this VPS, you can type free-h. You consider I'm using the 4 GB RAM, and if you want to see the CPU architecture, if you type LSCPU, you consider I'm using the 64-bit architecture. So now let's update our package list now. So apt update -y. This will update all our packages list. Now we can upgrade our softwares now. So apt upgrade. So we're gonna upgrade all our softwares that we have installed. Now all the packages has been upgraded. So let me clear the screen. So for this Minecraft game server deployment, I have created this document for you. I will provide the document link in the description. You can check that out. So in this document, I have shown you the detailed step-by-step requirement. You consider you need the Ubuntu VPS and you need the 2 CPU and you need the OGP RAM. Once you have satisfied those requirements, we have connected our VPS and we have updated the server. Then that Minecraft game server is dependent on the Java runtime environment. So we'll have to install the Java first. So you can say Minecraft requires the Java 21. So let me copy this and open up the terminal and paste now. You consider now it will install the Java runtime for a modern version of the Minecraft server requires this. To avoid compatibility issues and class version errors, so we're going to install the Java 21. You can see now the Java has been successfully installed. So once you have installed, if you want to see which version of the Java is installed, you can check Java -f version. You consider currently we are having the Java version 21. Then we can create a dedicated user, because for security reason, you should never run a public facing application like this. So we will create a dedicated isolated user specifically for this application. So just type add user. We're going to create a username called the Microsoft and press enter. So it is asking us to enter the password. So let me take the password now. So once we have created this user, let's also provide this user with the sudo rights. So let's enter the name now. So I'm going to enter Kumaresan and we can leave this now room number. So if you want to enter any room number, you can enter here. So I'm going to leave room number or home phone. Is the information correct? I'm going to press Y. So now we have created that user, right? So let's give the user the sudo permissions. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So then we can switch to that user. So sudo switch, I'm going to switch back to that Minecraft user. So now we have a switch to the Minecraft user. Then let's create a dedicated folder for our server files to keep things organized. Consider we're going to create a folder called the server. So let's paste it over here and press enter. Now we are in the server folder. Now let's head over to the official Microsoft download page to download the Minecraft server jar file. So here you can see this is the link. So copy this link and open up your browser and press the link over here. And here you can see is the download Minecraft server. So using this, you can download the Minecraft server. And here you can see we have the URL over here. What you do is copy the link now and open up your documentation that I have provided. Here you can see we need to type wget and the URL, and then we need to provide the output name. So you can see here -o and the output file name you want to save, server.jar. So this will download the file and rename it that we have mentioned. So you can see it starts downloading. Now if you type the ls command, here you can see we have the file over here, server.jar file. Then we can start the server for the first time. So let me copy this command and paste it here. And here you can see we are getting a error. This version of the Java runtime only recognize up to the 65. So what we need to do is we need the latest version of the OpenJDK. So make sure you download the Java JDK 25. So let me type the password again to install this Java JDK 25 and press enter. So if you get this error, so in the beginning itself you can install the Java JDK 25. So for most of them this won't happen, but sometimes it will happen. So make sure to change the Java JDK 21 to 25. So I will provide the updated document in the description. You can check that out. Now we have installed the latest one, right? You can check the version now. So Java version, you can say currently we have the version 25. So now we can boot our server now, and let's scroll down. Here you can see this is the command to start the server. Copy this and paste it here and press enter. So this will start the initial configuration and it will immediately shut down. This is expected. So you need to agree to the end user license agreement. Microsoft requires you to explicitly agree to their end user license agreement before generating a overlay. Let's do that now. So just type nano. I will provide a command over here. Console nano end user license agreement.txt file and enter now. Here you can see it is by default it will be false. You'll have to change this to true. So once you have done that, just save this file and press enter. So now we have done this. So to save this, I will show you how to save. Just press Ctrl+X and press enter. You can see now we have done that. Let me clear the screen. And once you have changed the end user license agreement to true, we can start the server again. So let me copy this command and paste it here one more time. Here you can see you should see done. For help typer, you should see this command. Currently we don't have world data. Here you can see it is generating the world and starting Minecraft server, and the default game type is survival, generating key pair, selecting global world spawn. So make sure you wait for a few seconds. So it is running on this port number, so we'll have to allow that port number. So what I will do is below that we have this command use w allow that port number. So before that let's wait now. So you can see here we have seen that message done. For help, type help. So once you have seen this message, then what you can do is you can leave this and you can allow the port number so that the firewall will allow all the requests coming to the port number. So open up your another terminal and connect the SSH now. So SSH root. So let me paste the IP address now. Here you can see I have successfully logged into the second screen. What I will do is I will allow the port number. So let me copy these two commands and paste it here and press enter. So you can see rules updated. So you want to change, press Y and firewall is active and running. Consider server empty for 60 seconds, pausing. And so to connect this, let's also verify the status now, firewall status. So you can see that it is allowing all the requests coming to this port number. Once the server has been successfully started, if you want to connect to the server, what you need to do is open up your Minecraft game now and navigate to the multiplayer and click on add server and add your IP address along with the port number. So you will get the IP address from your MivoCloud or dashboard. If you go to information, here you can see we have the IP address. So make sure you type the IP address and the port number is 25565. So then click on join server. You should be successfully joined to the Microsoft server that we have created in this VPS. The problem with this approach is that it is good now the server is running, but if you want to close the terminal, if you want to run this Microsoft server in the background, we need to install something called a string. So copy this command that we have here and paste it here and press enter. Here you can see it is installing the screen utility. Now you have successfully installed, right? So let's create a new session now. So what we will do is we will call this session now Minecraft. You consider we will give the screen Minecraft. So from inside this screen, what you need to do is you can start the Minecraft server now. So let me start the Minecraft server now. Here below that we have a command here, start the server. So let me copy this and paste it here. Now it will run in the isolated environment. You can see it is starting the Minecraft server now. So once it is start, then if you want to detach from the session, you can press Ctrl A and then Ctrl B. You can see now the Minecraft session has been started, right? You can press Ctrl A and Ctrl D to detach, and if you want to reconnect, you can just type screen -r Minecraft. It will give you that session. So I have also attached some useful comments over here for you. So yeah, this is how you deploy a Minecraft game server on a VPS. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.